G guys.
Hello mga zoo! Sumay ba naman tayo ngayon? Bilang umuulan, ito tayo ay nakapayong sa pagsundo kay Aliyah. Bihirang-bihira yung ganito guys, no? Yung umuulan ng malakas. Bihira to sa Australia. Pero kasi alam niyo, pag umuulan dito, sandali lang, hindi siya nagtatagal. Kagabi, sobrang hangin. Grabe. As in, talagang rinig na rinig namin sa bubong namin yung hangin. Parang may mga tinatangay. Anyway, for today's vlog, gusto ko lang mag-hi sa mga bago nating subscribers. Hello, mga bagong zoobs! Kumusta naman kayo dyan? Maraming salamat. At na-follow ninyo at na-subscribe ninyo ang aming channel. Thank you. Kung gusto niyo pong mapanood yung iba naming vlog, yung mga previous vlog, you are always welcome and drop your comment sa ating mga lumang zoom. Siyempre, na-miss ko kayo. Aray ko. Sobrang naging busy lang talaga ang peg ko this past few days, kaya mas na less yung aking reply. And kasi nagre-reply din tayo dun sa mga students na nag-a-apply para maging international students sila dito sa Australia. Yan ang pinagkakaabalahan ko din kasi syempre gusto ko silang tulungan kung ano yung aray ko pwede nilang marating dito, di ba? Ambition yan eh, dream, goal. And kung makakapag tulong tayo, syempre better. Kaya naman guys, nandito na ako sa school ni Aliyah. Magsusundo ako at babalik ako at nahirapan ako mag-vlog. Dalawang kamay nakataas. See you later, alligator. Maling sapatos na naman guys ang nasuot ko. Ito talaga sa ulan. Ay nako naman, joy. Okay, I think I should tawid na lang dito. Balik tayo. Hi mga zoos! Ako ngayon ay nandito sa loob ng supermarket. Bumili ako ng Powerade. Yun guys, ayan na, lumabas na ako. Kasi alam nyo, hinatid lang ako ng mami ni Andy dito sa gym. Lalakad ako ngayon papunta sa gym. Mag-isa. Because si Jaja medyo, she's not feeling good. Also Lele. So, napag-desisyon na namin ni Andy na ako muna yung mag-gym. Tapos mamaya siya. So, ito na. Lalakad kami. Para hindi sayang guys. Anong oras na? Alas 8 na nga eh. Para madire-diretso namin yung pag-workout. Walang magsiskip. So there, ako ngayon, ang workout ko ay back. Tapos mag 1 hour na cardio ako ulit. Kaya kalimutan ko yung Powerade ko sa bahay. So bumili na lang ako sa Woolworth. May music dun kaya hindi ko na-vlog. Pasensya na. So ito na. I'm going inside.
Alrighty guys, I just rocked up to the gym. Sorry for the horrible lighting, but I didn't bring my small light that we usually carry in the car because we did take that to our Philippines trip, so I forgot to unpack. But besides the point, I'm here by the gym. I'm here by myself because earlier Diana went to the gym. As you saw, we had to go separately today because Jaja's not feeling very well. She took care of the kids last night, but she's not feeling very well. Aliyah also got a little bit sick. She was in bed we're supposed to go shopping today because it is late night shopping. As you guys know, in Australia, Thursday is the day. So yeah, I'm out here. I'm about to go hit the gym. The weather is actually pretty bad right now. So we've just come back from warm, humid, sunny weather in the Philippines. Now we're here with some cool rainy days, but I know ahead, I think by the weekend, hopefully we should start getting some sun. So yeah, I'm gonna hit chest today. I'm a little bit low on energy, still sort of run down from the whole trip. It was a very hectic 2 weeks, as you guys saw in the vlogs. And thank you to everybody, all our new followers especially. I'd just like you to comment below where you're watching from, because I know we have a lot of new followers, around 26 or 27,000 new followers, so, or new subscribers I should say. So yeah, let us know where you're from. I'm about to hit the gym, and yeah, all of December we're gonna work out hard. I am gonna get in better shape, Sana, than when I went to the Philippines. Guys, this is Aaliyah's hair. Not really sure how this happened, but Mimi went quiet for a little bit, and then she went inside the bedroom. Aaliyah just fell asleep, and we thought, oh, we gotta check on them. So Diana checked on her. She was just laying there on the bed. Parang she was hiding. She went outside. A few minutes later, Aaliyah starts crying because Mimi found some scissors and cut all of her hair. It's actually a lot. It's actually a lot, but it's not so obvious. We were able to cover it up. Diana did some braids in her hair, para hindi masyadong obvious. But yeah, Aaliyah was really, really upset. And Mimi was actually quite shocked. She went quiet for quite a while and fell asleep. But yeah, this is the aftermath, guys. Whew. Mimi the Destroyer. She is back.
Kawawa naman guys si Aaliyah kasi dito pala niya nagupit, banda dito. So ang ginawa ko, inano ko na lang, binraid ko muna yung buhok from the top here, pababa, para hindi niya makikita. Pero medyo halata siya. Pero alam niyo yun, nung nangyayari yun, parang umiyak lang siya. Tapos nakita daw niya yung mga buhok niya na hawak ni Mimi. Tapos nalagas. Kaya nung nag-iiyak siya, parang hindi nag-register agad sa akin what's happening. Tapos nakita ko na yung buhok. Parang dun ko na-realize na kaya pala tahimik to si Mimi. Meron pala siyang hawak. So yun na nga. Bukod sa buhok ni Aaliyah, yung ginupit niya. Ginupit din niya yung buhok niya. Yung meron siyang little bangs dito ngayon. Ginupit din niya. My gosh. This girl. Kung ano-anong naiisip gawin. Kasi before, meron siyang paper scissor. Kinat niya hair niya dito. Maliit lang. Tapos parang natawa lang kami na nangyari yun. Tapos ito ngayon, nakita niya yung kapatid niya natutulog. Akala niya siguro joke time. Kaya kayo guys, huwag niyong gayahin yung nangyari sa amin. Itago niyo yung mga gunting ninyo. Hindi namin naisip kasi paper scissor lang yung hawak niya. Na pwede niya palang magupit yung buhok. So ngayon, ang remedy namin, though hindi naman nahalata, oh, sorry. Binibraid ko lang yung buhok ni Aaliyah para hindi niya makita. Kasi sobra siya talagang upset. Kawawa nga, inawa nga kami kasi iyak siya ng iyak. Yun pa naman sobrang arte sa buhok. Anyway guys, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nanood today. Sa susunod ulit, pasensya na kayo, wala ko energy kasi. lately, medyo nagkaroon ako ng sipon. Tapos ngayon, paubo na siya. So, magpapahinga na muna tayo. Kaya, maraming salamat, guys. Bye. Pahinga na muna ako.